Good morning, everyone. My name is Rakshita Jia. Today I am presenting my Tableau project titled Quick Smart Business Analysis Dashboard. This project focused on analyzing employee performance and company performance using Tableau dashboard and storytelling. The main objective of this project is to convert raw business data into meaningful insight using data visualization techniques. In this project, I created a self-construct Excel database, employee analysis dashboard, company performance dashboard, Tableau story with conclusion, and business insight. Objectives. The objectives is the projects are in this project are to create a realistic business database, to analyze employee related information, to analyze company sales and operational performance, to create interactive dashboard using Tableau, to use storytelling for business decision making. This project demonstrates how data visualization helps organize, understand trends, and improve business performance. Database creation. For this project, I created my own database in Excel named QuickSmart database. Blinkit data. The database contains not two sheets, Blinkit data only one. The dataset contains more than 20 rows and multiple attributes such as employee ID, department, region, salary, sales, profit, and monthly sales category. The data was designed to represent a realistic delivery based company similar to like Zepto. Tools used. The tools used in these projects are Microsoft Excel for database creation and Tableau for and visualization and database creation. Excel was used for storing and organizing data. Tableau is used for creating charts, building dashboards, creating maps, applying filters, and storytelling. And calculated fields. In this project, I created a few fields in Tableau. These calculated fields generate advanced insight for the raw data. The calculated fields are profit margin, attribution rate, sales category, and the estimate, delivery status. For example, profit margin was calculated using the formula text ID is equal to down some profit by some sales. This helps analyze company profitability. Then employee analysis dashboard. In this employee analysis dashboard, the purpose of this dashboard is to analyze uh, workforce distribution and employee performance. The dashboard includes employee performance analysis, salary analysis, employee by department, employee by city, experience distribution, and also insights and the performance category and state. This dashboard is interactive and professionally designed. Next, employee company performance dashboard. In this company performance dashboard, the objective of the dashboard is to analyze sales map, sales trend, sales map like that top performance cities, company performance dashboard, and customer ratings. These insights help to identify high performing region and business opportunities. In map visualization, one important requirement of this assignment was creating a map visualization. I created a regional sales map using city location. The map uses labels, color encoding, and Geographic analysis. This visualization helps identify regional sales performance and delivering operation across cities. And I also use global filters. Another important features implemented in this project is global filters. I used this filter controls all worksheets and dashboard simultaneously. It improves interactive and allows user to analyze specific regional data easily. For example, when selected South region, all charts update automatically. Storytelling in the Tableau. The finally I what it's the story include employee analysis, company performance analysis, final business summary. It's like storytelling in Tableau helps to present data insights in logically and professionally sequence. It transforming dashboards into a business presentation for decision making. To conclude, this project successfully demonstrated how Tableau can transform broad business data into meaningful visualization insight. Like the project helped to analyze employee performance, sales trends, profitability, delivery, and regional performance. The dashboard and story provides useful business insights that can support strategic decision making. And I learning outcomes like through this project I learned database creation in Excel, data visualization using Tableau, dashboard design, calculated field, interactive filters, map visualization, storytelling techniques. This project improved my analytical and visualization skills significantly. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I hope you find my presentation informative. I'm ready to answer any questions. Comment down. Thank you.